What language do you speak? Rome. Rome looked like
For $40 million is to allow
each and every one of you for taking the time. Your commitment to deepen engagement with Kenya.
in Safari Park. You had us mention.
Our economy is now fairly stable. We can count on it, and we continue to do what we must do. I know because of the fuel crisis that has been occasioned by this war in the Middle East, there is a bit of disruption there, but we are trying to manage that disruption so that doesn't significantly affect our economy. But I can say with confidence that the sacrifices we made in 2022 are giving us results. Today, we have gained respect. The credit rating agencies that had put Kenya in a very difficult position, today each one of them are now saying a different story. In fact, they are giving us, they are elevating our credit ratings, Standard & Poor's and all the other credit rating agencies. That was my first assignment, to make sure that we have a stable economy, because if we do not have a stable economy, it is difficult to do anything else.